Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram with the 6.4 bed. Also the 19 to 24 Ram Classic with the 6.4 bed, classic body style. Silver in color. It's in decent shape. It does have some scratches and some wear on it. It's good through here. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. We just seen some scratches there at the bottom we looked at. Down through here, it's got some little, like, I don't know, some spots here, and then like little blisters. I'm not sure how well these will show up. It's kind of just sporadic little blisters. Not really sure what they are. A couple paint chips. It's mostly on this side. A couple chips up there. A couple more blisters right through there. Bottom edge looks good through here. Doesn't like to really. There's a paint chip right there. They're not even really soft. And I don't really know if they're. I wouldn't really call them blisters. There's something, but got a small chip there on the bottom edge. Another chip right there. It's not like the blisters are soft or anything like that. It's just something. Small chip there. You see some more of those little. We're gonna call blisters for right now. Right through there. If they were red, they'd look like chicken pox. Small chip down there. And then we've got some chips right there. Half side sliders on the side. Tracks for roof racks on the top. Does have the sliding window in the front. Some minor chips. The paint right there, it's hit probably the back of the cab. Through here we've got a couple chips there as well. One right there. And then we've got some here. Probably the same thing, probably hit the back of the cab right there. Paint looks good down through there. Down through there. Top looks good, no damage on the top. Sliding window slides open like so. This is actually what they call a tilt-in window. So this is lever flips down inside like this, and this allows. Actually, it's a removable window, but it allows it to tilt in so that you can clean it. There you go. You can tilt it in and remove it and take it out of this track. It takes two hands. It makes it a lot easier if you have two hands. So I'm not going to do it. And you can fold that back up. Yeah, see, now I've got it. There it goes. Flips up, then you flip this lever like so here, and this one right here, and then that seals it back up. That allows you to clean the front of this window here, the back of the truck cab, and then you can fold it back up and allows access to both those windows. A little bit of a chip on the corner here. A couple more of those little, what we're going to call blisters here. Not quite as bad as the other side. They're really not even noticeable. I didn't notice them until I was washing it. A couple spots right there, a couple chips. Another chip right there. Down through here looks really good. You got a couple of them, what we're going to call blisters right around the Leer logo there. And then the bottom edge is kind of chipped up from being they've set it on the ground, obviously, from taking it off one truck to the next, or to take it off to haul something, whatever. People set these on the ground and that chews them all up. Bottom edge is chipped up. It's not really bad, but it's there. And you got other than, like I said, you got a couple dozen of those little, what we're going to call little pock marks, or blisters in there. Looks, the paint's pretty good down through there. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Got some of those blisters inside that edge there. A couple scratches here on the top, chip marks. Couple chips there. Some more of those little blisters down through this inside edge too. A couple scratches down there. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Previous owner took the screens out. Not sure why, but he did. Sliding window in the front. The screen's out on this one as well. Looks like the seal is the trim piece is inside there, so yeah, you could put screens back in it if you'd like. Kind of see, but the other person, like I said, took them out. Fuse box there. Serial number is right there. Oops. If we can find it. There it is. 100R 64 DRQC. So it's Dodge Ram quad cab 09 64 bed. PS2 is the color. PS2 Silver. There it is. You got a cab high 100R. It's the 09 to 18 Ram with a 6.4 bed quad cab, and then the 19 to 24 Ram Classic body style with the 6.4 bed. PS2 Silver in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, those can all be purchased from us as well. Looking for something specific for your truck, certain color, certain body style, certain model, brand, what have you, you'll want to subscribe below. We upload to YouTube and our website. When new inventory comes in. So if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to keep up to date with that as that happens. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.